My video guide is about removing the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Watchmostfreetheproduct.vip. This is a deceptive website that is presented as some Chrome browser update alert. The website indicates that you need to update Google Chrome by installing this so-called recommended browser extension. But in reality, it's a deception. If you install this fake extension by mistake, if you proceed with this fake Chrome update message, there is a risk of your browser being infected. For instance, currently the extension that is promoted through these fake Chrome update alerts works as a browser hijacker. If you mistakenly add this extension to the Google Chrome browser, your browser will be hijacked. In particular, default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab will also be hijacked. Some other types of extensions may work as intrusive adware that may display a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So if you are not happy with all such alterations into the way your browser operates, you should get rid of any third-party extensions which were mistakenly installed as a result of such fake updates. Access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So now disable and remove any third-party extensions which were mistakenly added. Finally, I recommend that you research your device additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.